Join me today for a 10-minute health balance on your mini trampoline. This is a great beginner workout, helps improve balance, mobility, flexibility. It's going to help so many things. All you need to do is just get started. So go ahead and hop on. We're going to start walking in place here. So we'll be here about 10 minutes today. We're going to work on 30-second intervals. So bear with me. We're going to walk in place, just get that blood flowing, kind of get a little sense of stability here on the mat. So what's really great about these trampoline workouts is we are challenging our balance in a different way, right? That uneven surface is great for us. And something I absolutely love about the mini trampoline is it's super low impact. Plus you burn a lot of calories just by walking or by bouncing. So it's so much fun too. I'm gonna set my watch. I use under mixed cardio. So if you wanna keep track of how long we go, feel free to do so. And we're walking in place. If you're new here, I am just delighted to have you. My name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, and a passionate women's health advocate. And I help women just like you and me feel better in our own bodies, creating balance and promoting positive change in this world. So if that sounds like your jam, you're on your trampoline, we're ready to get started. So make it happen today. I love to say go at your own pace. You know, this trampoline, I'm using the Can mini trampoline. I'm crazy about this thing. It's super safe. It's rated for 500 pounds, super quiet, and just so much fun. It's the perfect size for me. It's not too big, not too small. I can easily maneuver this to where I need to do my workouts. And it's just great. I love it so much. If you want to learn more about this specific trampoline, check out my links below. You can click on it and it will take you to their website. Nice, so we're still walking in place. Go ahead and widen your feet a little bit. So see what that does. Maybe a little bit more activation in the backside muscles. Stomp it out. So really press those heels into the ground. Get the arms moving. Check in with your breath. Right? By now, maybe your heart rate's up a little bit. Your breathing rate's up. We want that, right? We're activating that aerobic activity, right? So cardiovascular system, our heart, our lungs are working. Of course, our whole body, including our brain, is turned on. Stomp it out. So really drive those heels into your mat. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return here to walk it out. If you want to try something new, so I like to keep these kind of light, kind of simple, but if you want to give it a try, go ahead and get the knees up a little higher. Keep that march in place. Get the arms going. Breathe. Keep breathing. Go at your pace. Maybe put a little pep in your step and get a little higher, little bounce here. Great job. So a little mini warm up. Get the arms out to the side. Keep that march going. Speed up your pace. Maybe find some circles here. If you're using a trampoline with the safety bar, which I highly recommend if you're new to this, you can always use that safety bar here. So even if you're just making circles with one arm and then the other arm, nice job. Don't forget to reverse your circles if you've not done so. Nice, great for coordination. Great for our mind as well. Nice challenge for the whole body. For 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake it out, let it go. Keep moving the legs. Let's check on this timer. All right, we're gonna come up on our first move. Let's put 30 seconds on the clock. So take the feet kind of wide. We'll start with a little health bounce. So just bounce both legs here. Keep it soft, keep your shoulders soft. See what the arms wanna do, have some fun. Maybe you shift the hips a little bit. So 30 seconds, we're about halfway through. Maybe you smile. I think it's really hard not to. Just have some fun, keep some softness in your knees. For 3, 2, 1. Great job. Start to walk in place again, march it out. Proud of you. Make it happen today. You know, set a goal and make it happen. I love to tell people, you know, we want to move our bodies in a healthy and joyful way every day. So I think it's super important to find an activity that you love, that kind of lights you up. Once it wakes you up in the morning, you want to get out of bed and hop on your trampoline or go for a walk, or do yoga, practice yoga. You know, get excited about what you're doing, right? And there's so much out there that you could do to be healthy, right? So find something that you love, try many things, and stick with something. Or stick with a lot of things, right? But just move your body. That helps build, boost your immune system, especially when we're on the trampoline. It's great for lymphatic drainage, so great for your immunity, but it also just helps boost your mood too with these healthy hormones. All right, next move, give me a heel tap. So tap a heel forward. Great job. Swing the arms, we're here for 30 seconds. You got that bar. In the past, I haven't had a bar, and I've actually just kept like a sturdy chair close by. So safety is key in all of our workouts. So make sure that you feel stable and secure. Nice job. About 5 more seconds. 2, 1, walk in place. Get those feet, maybe move those feet a little bit more, get the feet up a little higher. The sun is shining on my trampoline and it's starting to warm up, so we'll see how this goes. My feet are going to get hot really quickly. You can always go barefoot or wear shoes. I like to go barefoot just because I can feel the ground a little bit more. It also offsets my balance a little bit more. Nice job. All right, next move, here we go. Take the feet wide. This workout is going by so fast. We're way close to 6 minutes already. Stomp those feet. Nice job. March it out. So here we are. Maybe sink the hips down, activate those backside muscles, our muscles of independence. Make it happen. You got this. Together we've got this. Nice job. Supportive space here. Nice job. Walk it out. It's 30 seconds right there. Great job. If you are interested in creating some more positive change in your life and having a supportive community online, but off of Facebook, that inspires you to stay active and healthy, motivates you to be consistent with your workouts, check out my information on my website, emilydaugherty.com, and over there you can learn about the Empower 50 Plus membership. It's my new membership, and I support women over 50 move their body in a healthy way. We focus on steps, strength, and stretch, so the 3 S's, and then we also talk about nutrition and how we can fuel our body and to get the most out of this life, right? So if you're interested, I do offer a couple tiers of the membership, including group health coaching and even private health coaching. So check it out. Go ahead and take the feet wide. We're here for 30 seconds. Maybe use that bar. Give me a kick back. Kick and kick. Yeah, really challenging balance in so many ways. Maybe you say, look, Mom, no hands. Get the hands off the bar here. Nice job. Make it happen. I'm really feeling it now. I love this kind of workout. About 10 more seconds here. So proud of you. You got this. Nice job for 3, 2, 1. Go back to that walk. And you know what? Let's bounce it out. Let's have some fun. So you can walk or get that little health bounce in. Allow the feet to move off the yoga mat or off the trampoline mat. A little shift in the hips here. Wake up the hips, the core, our spine. Keeping everything nice and loose and mobile. Think of that saying, motion is lotion. So let's move our body, lubricate our joints, and stay active, especially in the second season of life. Great job. 2 more minutes. We're already 8 minutes into this workout. Woo. Keep shifting the hips. If you need to, you can go back to that walk. Let's be here for about 15 more seconds. And then I'll show you the next move. Woo, yeah, great job. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next move. Think of it as scissors. So we're gonna bounce leg forward. I'm just gonna turn to the side so you can see. 1 leg forward, 1 leg back. Get those arms moving. 30 seconds on the clock, you got this. Nice job, we're already 20 seconds in. Keep it going. If this is too much, just step it out, okay? It's another option. Make this workout work for you. 3, 2, 1, nice job, walk in place. Or do the health bounce. I'm gonna go to my walk right now. Yes. So good. All right. Let's get one more move in before we do a little cool down. Step to one side. Just give me a side step, side to side. If you feel like dancing, if you're a little dancy today, go for it. Great job. All right, officially 30 seconds on the clock. Let's go. Side to side. Nice. I'm filming today in my parents' beautiful backyard. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a little waterfall down by the pond there. And I get to just listen to it. Whew. All right, we're gonna stop on this one. 3, 2, 1. Great job, walk it out. Yes, and we just hit our 10-minute mark. High fives, great job. Big fist bumps to all of you that are still here to the end. You set that goal, you made it happen. Go ahead and start to slow the feet down. Check in with your breath. I'm panting a little bit today, but it's a good thing, right? It's great to get that heart rate up and then slow it down in a conscious way, right? A holistic way. So we're gonna stop moving the feet. Go ahead and ground yourself. I like the feet about hips width apart. And then start with a little squat here. We're gonna squat down and lift up. If your knees don't like that, maybe make it a smaller shape or skip the squat. Ooh, yeah, so important for our backside muscles. So thinking of these muscles that help us carry throughout the day, right? From up, seated in a chair, up from the ground, how important that is to have that strength and mobility in the backside muscles. Here, how about one more? Push up, great job. If you got the bar, hang on to it here. Let's send one arm to the sky. We're gonna fold over to the other side, little banana pose, looking up or down. Send that hand down. Second side, reach tall, get some length here. Fold over, again, looking up or down. Great job. Release the hand down, shake it out. Give me one angel breath to seal this practice up. Inhale, sweep high. Exhale, hands drop down to the sides. Give it a shake. So proud of you. Big high fives. I love this workout. I'm so glad you stayed till the end. Definitely be sure to subscribe to my channel. Check out my website. Check out that membership, the Empower 50 Plus membership. I think you know, we're really making good progress in our goals. I'm seeing great transformation with my students, and I think you'll be so inspired to join us. It's an amazing community, and I'd love to have you along. All right, if you need anything, leave me a comment, reach out via email, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.